What's the easiest way to sync our calendar with our daily tasks? Hi, this is Elliot from Workload. In this video, we'll be building a workflow starting with a new calendar event in Microsoft Outlook, and then we'll be taking that event in order to create a new task in Todoist. All right, it's time to make a workflow. So we're going to start here at the Workload editor. And we're going to give our workflow a title. So this is going to be Outlook Calendar to Todoist. And we're going to select our triggering app, which is going to be Microsoft Outlook. And the event is going to be a new calendar event. Click continue, make sure I'm connected to Microsoft Outlook. And then we're going to test our trigger. And we have a new calendar event. So we can scroll down to the bottom and click continue. And then for our action, it's going to be in Todoist. And the event is going to be to create a new task. Make sure we're connected to Todoist. Okay, so now we're going to import information from our trigger. We'll click inside of the title box here, come down to our drop-down menu, and find the name of our event, which is the subject, pluck a duck, colon, the description, semicolon, space, and the location at the local pond. And then our due date, we'll make the start time of the event. And this will be a personal project. We'll click continue, and then we'll test this action. We have a success. So we can click continue. We can peek over at Todoist, and you can see it added the name of the event, the description, the location of the event, and when that event is happening as the due date. So we have a successful workflow. We have a green dot in each one of our nodes, so we can activate our workflow. And now every time we have a new calendar event in Microsoft Outlook Calendar, then we will automatically create that event into a task in Todoist. That's how you can use Workload to build a workflow that syncs your calendar and your daily tasks. Please like this video, or click here to subscribe to our channel, or click here to get more content from Workload about how to make your business practices flow more smoothly. And I'll see you next time.